Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, cleaning out my refrigerator. This is my cleaning secret. I've loved this stuff. It's finished, looking nice and brand new again. Hey everyone, and welcome to today's video, cleaning out my refrigerator. I'm Jody, and on this channel, Be Queen Cleaning, I share videos dedicated to motivational cleaning, hope to teach you some cleaning routines, and have some product reviews from time to time. So if you're new and this interests you, please consider subscribing. And if you want to know more about anything you see here on this channel, be sure and check the links in the description below this video or leave me a comment. I'd love to connect with you there. So as you may or may not know, we are selling our house, and that means it's time to get things cleaned up. So I'm going to be doing one last final clean out to our refrigerator. So you're going to see kind of what's left in it and what it looks like once I get it done. And I did want to share with you, as I mentioned, my favorite cleaner for it. So I'm just going to jump in right with that. I have been a doTERRA wellness advocate for quite some time now. I do not make money selling this stuff, at least yet. I'd like to someday, but I really signed up with doTERRA for myself because I love their products, and their On Guard cleaner concentrate, this bottle right here, you can see I'm getting down there on it already. I just mix it in an old container from a cleaner I used to use but don't use anymore, because I use this stuff for basically cleaning everything in my house. Yes, this is my cleaning secret. I've loved this stuff. I've had no issues with it. You can even use it to clean your dishes if you wanted, but I use other stuff on my dishwasher. So there you have it. This is what I'm going to be using to get the refrigerator clean. Let's go see that refrigerator. All right, you guys, this is the last of what is in our fridge and freezer. I'm about to empty it out. Get what we can up in there in that bag.
Cars, coloring.
Yeah. Little treasure inside. Now that I've got it emptied out, I can go ahead and give it a wipe down. Now I don't normally use paper towels, I normally use rags because those are better for the environment, but due to the situation and this being the last time here at our house, I'm going to use paper towels. And it's finished, looking nice and brand new again. Just to finish wiping the outside of this thing. Alright, that's it for today's video. If you're planning to clean your refrigerator out now, I know you can do it. Just take baby steps, start hauling that stuff out there, get it a shelf at a time, get rid of what's yuck, and put back in what's good. I hope this inspired you and helped you. And if you enjoy this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Let's get to that 100 subscribers. And thank you again so much for being here and watching. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.